Other new arrival, how about the 1975 Chevrolet Malibu Classic two-door hardtop? When's the last time you saw one of these? Never.
Never. Exactly.
You just don't see them.
No, they rusted out or they were overused.
Yeah, or something. Medium orange metallic over black, 2 owners. It's been garage kept, well preserved. It's got the numbers matching transmission. It's got a correct 350 L65 in it. Not sure if it's the original one, probably not. The interior is like showroom, dude.
It's amazing. It's a great time capsule.
It really is. And it's one of those cars that you wouldn't probably look twice at a car show or something. You might because you don't see them very often. I like those in the what were those? The Laguna.
Oh yeah, the Laguna.
Yeah, those were pretty cool cars.